Hello student, yesterday you saw that how actually one of the son of the narrator's mother, actually one of his brothers and his mother, how they were screaming at each other. One is actually the mother is actually telling him that the father is in trouble, while his brother was actually telling to her mother that there is no need to worry, you just calm down. Now today we have to read from the next paragraph. One second, where? Yeah. So actually, but by this time I was conscious of what was going on. Narrator was also sleeping and he did not waken up with whatever happened in the house. But by that time, as there were so many, they were talking so loud, he was also conscious to hear everything, what's going on and what's not. And that is why, in a vague way, but did not realize that I was under my bed instead of on it. So actually what happened that, the narrator was conscious enough to hear the things, but in a vague way. And what does it in vague way? Vague means not clear enough, unclearly. When you are just woken up from your slumber and from your sleep, and you are still sleeping, but you are not 100% out of it. Your slumber has just broken up. It means that your consciousness is vague, not 100% clear. Your visibility, your senses are not 100% right now. So that is what happening with the narrator also, and he was actually, but still, though he was awakened up, but he did not realize that he was actually not sleeping on his bed, but actually under his bed. It means to say that actually the bed has fallen on him. Breaks, awakening in the midst of loud shouts of fear and apprehension, came to the quick conclusion that he was suffocating and that we were all trying to bring him out. So now what happens that in narrators, beside narrator, you saw that his one of the cousin brother Briggs was sleeping, and as he awakened in the midst of all that noise, by fearing up, he was thinking that he has been suffocated, and as he has a disease that he thinks that if he will not woken up at the interval of every hour, he will be suffocated. So that's what he was feeling. He jaldi घबरा के बेचैन होके उठा. He thought that he is suffocating, and everyone was actually trying to bring him out. It means to make him conscious. That's what everyone was trying, and that's what the noise is all about. That's what his cousin brother Briggs thought. But with a low moan, he grasped the glass of camphor at the head of his bed, and instead of sniffing it, poured it over himself. So what did he do? The glass of camphor that he kept on the post, on his bed post, in case that if he is suffocated and if he does not wake up. You read that on the first day, he actually instead drinking that, he actually just poured it down on himself, and the room reeked of camphor, and the whole room was actually now smelling of camphor.